In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Nordvpn from starting up automatically every time you boot your computer. If you've ever found it a bit annoying that the Nordvpn app launches automatically when you start your PC, don't worry, it's a common issue and I'm here to help you sort it out. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage these settings with ease. We'll cover two simple and effective methods. So, let's dive in. First of all, make sure your computer is on and you're logged into your Windows account. Let's start by opening the Nordvpn application. You should see the familiar Nordvpn interface. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen at the bottom where you'll find a little gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu and it holds the key to keeping Nordvpn from launching at startup. Click on that gear icon and it will open up the settings panel for you. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the option labelled as General. Clicking on this will bring up a series of options related to the general behaviour and preferences for the Nordvpn app. As you browse through these settings, you will find one specific option that says Launch the app on Windows Startup. This is the setting that controls whether Nordvpn starts up automatically or not. Currently, this option might be toggled on, meaning that Nordvpn is programmed to start automatically whenever you start your computer. What you need to do is simply toggle this setting off. This action tells your computer to stop automatically launching Nordvpn each time you turn it on. And just like that, you've managed to stop Nordvpn from auto-launching when your PC starts up. If you'd like an alternative method using what's built into Windows, the Task Manager gives you a direct handle on your startup processes. To access Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will immediately open Task Manager for you. Once it's open, locate the Startup tab at the top. This tab lists all the applications set to run when your computer starts. Scroll through this list until you find Nordvpn. Once you've located it, right-click on Nordvpn and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, select Disable. Disabling Nordvpn here prevents it from launching at startup, just like it did with the toggle option in the app. Now, whether you've used the Nordvpn settings or the Task Manager, you're all set. You've effectively told your computer not to automatically start Nordvpn when it boots up. With these steps, you're in complete control of your startup applications. I hope this guide was clear and you found it useful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below.